What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Carolina Martinez Arevalo, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, I would like to discuss why we see corporate earnings flatlining through year-end and profit margins coming under pressure. U.S. corporate earnings have plateaued alongside the stealth stagnation we see in the economy. Markets see modest earnings growth in Q3 reporting underway, after earnings were flat for a year. That doesn't reflect the market narrative of a resilient economy, in our view. Markets see renewed earnings growth over the next year. We see earnings flatlining through year-end. Here's why. Focusing on earnings beating expectations misses the point to us. We think it's more about low expectations being met. Around half of the 10% earnings growth the consensus expects over the next year is coming from just a handful of mega-cap stocks. Stripping those out, expectations are more muted, even if too optimistic, in our view. Stagnation isn't a friendly macro backdrop for U.S. equities, in our view. We see monetary policy staying tight as a shrinking workforce keeps the labor market tight, risking resurgent inflation. If growth keeps up its current pace, we think wage pressure could weigh on margins too. We stay selective in U.S. stocks and remain underweight on a 6 to 12 month tactical horizon. We favor sectors where earnings are growing like tech and harness the artificial intelligence megaforce, where we see more potential for earnings growth. For more details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.